Hello everybody, this is the breakfast room.
Okay, what we got here?
May I have the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got this area. That's the coffee maker, whatever that is. And you use that. And this is used to do hot water. And then there are no waffles in this restaurant. And there's a toaster and a lemonade stand. No, it's a machine that does apple juice
Yogurts.
and yogurts.
And then you mix it.
And then the fried eggs and meat and potatoes.
Did you get the bananas over there?
And that's its bread right here. That's donut. That's a banana.
Cereal.
A cereal this is custom cereal. There's cereal. Forks, spoons,
And then the oatmeal.
and then the oatmeal.
Are they seeing on the screen?
Alright, bye everybody.
Okay, bye.
Hello everybody, we are at the Avid Hotel in Orlando. We're gonna check out a room right now. Show you this as a lockpick.
Okay, I got to show them this cool feature.
And the cool feature.
This controls the lights. When we came in, the lights were out, and when we put in the card, it turned the lights on. But I guess it doesn't go off. It's still kind of cool. Okay,
That's a cool feature.
okay, let's show the bathroom.
It's the same. Ah, the shower looks nice.
The products.
The toilet.
There's the shower. It's
Yeah.
nice.
We are going to do this thing one time. One time, guys.
Okay. Can you close that door?
That shower's fine.
Yep. It'll be ready for us in the morning.
Yep.
Okay. What do we got here? Oh, the lights are out. Can you put the key back in, please?
Yep. Aha!
Aha, there it is.
That's a cool feature.
There's the ironing board. We have a little refrigerator.
And the seat.
We have a safe. And we have an iron. Storage.
And there's
TVs. They've got hooks that you can hang stuff on. And the best part was that this room was only $109 a night. It's very nice and clean and new. And we actually had points to get it for free. Okay. I think
That's it.
we highly recommend the Avid.
Yeah, we highly recommend this hotel, and this mirror is really good.
It is very nice. Wave.
And
Okay. Bye.
everybody.
And we're on the top floor.
Yeah, and there's Orlando Airport
Yeah,
over there.
there's the airport. Look at those airplanes.
Yep, there.
We'll be going there in the morning.
Yes, we are.
And there goes an airplane in the sky. Where's it
Yep,
at? There
Spirit.
it is. Cool. You can watch airplanes tonight, Bryce. Nice. Okay. Let's go to the elevator. Ready?
Yep, let's show you guys.
Oh, there's the airport. Oh, there's the tower. Let me show them that.
the tower.
There at the airport. There we go. There's the control tower.
Yep.
Okay. That's how close we are to the airport.
And that's, yeah, we're very close to it.
It's nice and
We're
convenient.
going to go very early in the morning.
Yeah.
And then there's all the rooms.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of them. What about a fantastic view?
So we came up the elevator, so you know what kind it is.
It's I'll tell you guys when we get in it.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Oh, I could show them right now.
It's a Schindler.
That's a Schindler.
You guys know
Schindler.
these
Square
3000.
buttons.
These Schindler 3000 elevators always just show their name on the button. And this elevator is nice. And
Somebody's gonna be getting on, I think.
and
Oh,
cab
did you
view.
hit 4?
Cab view.
Nope, somebody's getting on.
Cab view.
Oh, did you hear that bell ring? Hi.
Hi,
Which floor would you like?
the ground floor.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cab view.
I'll let him get out and then I'll get you your cab view.
Here.
Okay.
That's the garage.
All right.
For the
Here's your cab view.
that is the cab view.
Looks
And
nice.
the mall. Wait, no.
What else?
The hotel.
Oh, yep, let's go out. Okay. All right.
Okay, we gotta go to the
Those are just more rooms. Here's the ice machine.
Yeah.
I do like these water fountains where I can put my cup there in the morning and it fills it up.
Look,
Yeah, be careful.
it's cold.
I saw that. There's the gym. Got treadmills. Do you want to go in? You got the key.
Yeah.
You can go in. Even though you're under 14, you're with me.
And I'm too.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm 3 years away.
Wow. This is a nice workout room.
Oh wow,
I'm telling you, this is a nice hotel.
Oh, do you have that?
Mm-hmm.
See if this works good. I don't want to break a leg. This is a basketball thing.
Yeah, it's the. You have to put your foot in there.
Don't worry, I'll definitely do that like right now. Okay, one in. Whoa. I don't want to do that way.
Here, I'm gonna help you because it's difficult. There you go.
Yeah. See how big.
Oh, look at you.
Whoa.
Nice.
Oh.
All right, you good?
Oh.
Did you hit your shin?
Oh.
Let me see. Did you
Ow.
scuff it?
I
Let me show
stuffed
them your
it.
boo-boo. A little bit.
And I just got a bruise here.
That's why you gotta be careful on those.
It's from the
Yeah.
so tough, and this right here is how fast it spins.
Yep. Yeah,
Wanna see how
the
fast
wheel.
Wanna see how fast it spins?
Do it with your hand. Go ahead. Do it with your hand. And be careful. Yeah, now you've got it. All right, now everybody can see how it spins. All right, that's good, bud.
Dude, that's so bad.
You're gonna be okay?
That's so bad.
All right, now what is your first safety thing that you do on a
Oh
treadmill?
no, we gotta put this.
Mhm. Put the key on you.
Should we just put this as a guest? Oh wow, this is.
Yeah, go in as a guest.
Oh wow, there's a nice touch screen on here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, this treadmill is very different from that. Wait, you can watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Let me try. Wait, let me watch YouTube. Error,
Oh,
unable to
I
load.
guess not.
I can do egg climb. There's egg climb at very slow speed.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
You're going up.
Woo! Going up. very slowly. And this is max incline. Lost patrons. No incline, please.
All right, let's hop off. And we're just gonna be safe.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's going back down.
Go a little faster. 2 miles per hour. Oh, no, no, no. No, no. 2, 2. 1. 5, 1. That's what my dad does.
Yeah.
I just emergency stop it.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Unclip.
That's what happens.
That's it. That's what it's there for, to be safe.
You'll pull that thing and stop it.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll show you the lift wall. With the screen. It's so awesome. This awesome screen. I love these hotel ones.
Mm-hmm.
Because they have better These ones go.
You're getting so tall, Bryce. You're growing up on me.
Whoa, whoa.
Okay.
Whoa,
I think that's good.
Whoa, whoa.
All right.
Woo. For 1 foot.
All right, bud. Can you stop it?
There's only 1 foot on it. And I
Yeah.
can't stop it.
Okay, I'll help you.
Hold up, stop the thing.
There we go.
Oh, wait,
Okay.
wait. That's too high.
Hop off. Okay.
Woo.
There you go.
Woo.
That's slow.
Wait.
That's slow. I need you to get off.
I want to show you this. How it works. Look, it shows you the RPM. Oh, wait.
You're going fast. 80 miles.
A
Woo.
rotation per minute.
Okay. I got that. Awesome. Okay, gotcha.
Woo.
Get off safely. Remember, you already messed up on the bike. Okay?
What's this? Resistance. What is resistance? Whoa. Whoa. It's like a roller coaster. I want to put no resilience. I want to see how fast I can kill. I hit 99.
I saw 99.
I want to hit 100.
Maybe it doesn't do
It
100.
does.
Did you see 100?
No.
Okay, I think 99
No,
is
I
it.
think it's
2 digits. Okay.
No,
So
it's
99.
a 3-digit thing.
Honey, I'm tired, okay? It's been a long day. We got to finish our tour. This is your last attempt. Okay?
I did it the wrong way.
Okay.
Okay, I got here the other way.
Okay.
Somebody stop it.
Okay.
Stop it. Stop the sting.
Okay.
Okay, I failed.
That's okay.
Oh, look at this treadmill. It's broken.
Yeah.
Error occurred.
I saw that. Yeah.
0205.
Alrighty.
Alright,
You have the key?
let's go.
Do you have the key? Show me the key.
Wait. You have it.
I have the key?
I
You
did.
opened it.
I gave it to you.
Oh, I have the key. All right, thanks. I just didn't want to leave it in this room. Okay, I got it. It's in my pocket.
Alright, let's go to the elevator. Next tour.
All right, there's the lobby. We'll come back for breakfast in the morning.
We do have a treadmill at home.
We do. All right.
Yeah,
I like the
it's
sounds on this elevator.
It's not too good as the hotel one is better than ours because it has that screen. That is what that one costs like 3,000 or something with
Probably.
the screen.
Maybe. How's this motor?
This motor's not. I can't hear the motor.
It's quiet.
It sounds like a Schindler motor to me. Open the door.
All right. That was good.
That was good.
You want to tell everybody bye?
Alright, goodbye.
Turn around. You got to look at them.
Alright. Goodbye, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us. And goodbye.